In this video, I will show you how to scan documents on Android. So let's begin. First of all, you should install a app that name is Cam Scanner. So here you can see I already installed. So after install, just open it, and after open, on the top there have a smart scan option. Simply select it. Right now you can scan your document. So here you can see, so on behind my phone there have a document that's I am going to scan. So after scan, here you can see it's successfully scanned. Right now select this icon, and after that select on the top right hand corner three dot, and right now you can find some option. Here you can see edit PDF, send to PC, save to gallery, or print. I select save to gallery. I want to save this scan document on my gallery. So in this way you can scan document using your mobile phone very easily. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.